My name is Rick Newborn and I'm a sales representative at Raleigh, North Carolina. I've been working with Factory Motor Parts for 3.5 years. There was a used car lot I was calling on about 6 months ago that does half used cars and half service. Their sales were doing very well, but their service department was struggling. The owner was not getting any support from any of his other parts vendors, so one day he asked me, what can we do to earn new business on the service side? And I sent over Autoshop Solutions to help put more retail cars into his bays, which will both benefit his shop as well as benefit us as their first call. Autoshop Solutions is a specialized marketing company. Their focus is on automotive only. Their jobs are to put more cars in the bays of our customers, which in turn will help us grow our parts. Very easy. I send them the shop that's looking to grow and they handle it from there. One of the biggest benefits of working with Factory Motor Parts is we're fortunate enough to have the tools, the programs, the incentives, the outside-of-the-box things that we do to obtain and keep customers better than anyone in the industry. One of our mottos is we help supply our success. Our job is to sell parts, but building relationships and helping customers grow is a big piece. This is a really good tool to help our customers grow, which in turn will grow our business.